Your RelieveMi comes with an extra long cord charger, car adapter, travel bag, user manual, and thank you card. Now let's look at all the ways RelieveMi can be used. The neck and shoulder position can help with back pain, upper back pain, neck and shoulder pain. Placing the device on the waist helps with lower back pain and sciatica. You can also use the RelieveMi and place it in any desired position other than the ones shown, such as the abdomen, calves, and hamstrings.